So you can do the same for the other variables. For example, here we have age and the independent variable, addictive use of social media, and the p-value is very low, so we can also add 3 asterisk there as well. So for me, what I will do also for the main dependent variable, which is performance, but the p-value is very low, so I'll leave it as is. So you can do the same thing here for 2, which is gender and gender. It is correlation is 100%, and then gender and education, it is -5, and so on. But you can run those here. So for me, I see this one looks highly significant. So let's run this guy. Just gonna have to, which is work experience and addiction. So work experience and addiction. So you will see that the p-value is very low. So I'll just put it here, 3 asterisk. So this is kind of how you do it, and I wish you all the best, and you will do great.